Hi, my name is Jeanne. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm a yoga teacher, and today's video is about releasing perfectionism. So we're all somehow pulled towards being always better, stronger, faster, and we always want to do more, but somehow everything we do is enough. So I'm going to suggest you this mantra that we are going to repeat, this affirmation throughout the practice. It's going to be, I am enough. Okay. So it's your choice to repeat it or to choose even another one if you prefer. But it's going to be a lot about forward folds. Okay. We're going to allow to release all those demanding voices in our heads, and we're going to start with standing. And don't worry if you don't see my head because it's not going to last very long. We're going to inhale, lengthen the spine, and exhale, roll forward. So make sure your head brings the whole upper body down. And exhale. And you can repeat to yourself, I am enough. If your hands are touching the floor, you can grab your elbows. Make sure that your nose is in between your legs. And you can start making some movements side to side. You don't even have to keep your legs completely straight. You can soften your knees. Go very slow. Give yourself time and space. When you go back to the center, you realize that maybe you were holding on some tension in your neck or in your shoulders, and you decide to let go. Maybe you move a bit your head. You say yes. You say no. And you say maybe. So ear to shoulder. Let me turn so you see what I mean. I mean this. And again, you let go. So really, I don't care whether you touch the floor or not with your hands. But we're going to very slowly roll up. Pressing into the floor. And again, we can repeat, I am enough. I am enough. And the head is the last. Okay. Let's come onto our knees. And we're just going to circle our Hands forward, up and back, and exhale. Come back to the back of your mat. We're going to keep the big toes together and separate the knees. We can sit on the heels. If it hurts your ankles, of course, you keep your toes like this, but maybe it's going to hurt your ankles. Feel free to adapt, to adjust, to place either a block or a cushion blanket that you can roll to the correct height for your body. And we're going to meet into child's pose. So you place your hands forward like this, and you try to place your forehead onto the floor. If it doesn't touch, you always have the option to adjust with props. So yoga blocks or anything else you have at home. The cushion is very soft. It's very nice for the skull. You can even use this. A bolster is also a possibility. So you place it like this in between your knees. Well, it's going to make that noise for the microphone, so I remove it. You can even go to the side and try to bring your hands as far as you can. So you stretch your back and you stretch your shoulders, and it's the most comfortable. It should be the most comfortable and releasing posture ever. Maybe it's somehow painful and you want to place a block underneath the coccyx or the sacrum, like this. So you sit on that and it doesn't put too much pressure on your knees. If your head is on the side, try to turn your head to the other side just for a while, just for to balance it out. Hands forward, and you repeat to yourself, I am enough. Everything I do is enough. I gave my maximum. This is enough. Enjoy this time for yourself. Take your time to breathe and to notice the effect of your breath onto your body. Very good. Of course, the adjustments I suggested with the props are absolutely optional. You don't need to do that. You can always do without, but make sure you're comfortable enough. So it's a pleasurable experience as well. Next posture, we're going to do staff pose. So make sure you lift the glutes away from the sitting bones. Place your feet flat, as if there was a wall like this in front of you. Activate your toes and separate them. Try to grow tall as you can. And bring your hands to the side in line with your hips. And you try to send your fingertips as far as you can. You touch the floor, but just a little bit, you know. And you lengthen your arms and you lengthen your spine at the same time. So it's not about it. Your hands need to be at X centimeters of your hips. Nobody cares about that. It's about how you feel in your own body. It's a very powerful posture. It looks like nothing. But please do repeat to yourself, I am enough. And release the effort. Relax. We're going to lie down on the floor. And we're going to do happy baby pose. Because we are enough, even as babies. So make sure you tilt your pelvis and your lower back is fully on the floor, and you cannot put your hand as little as you can in between the floor and your back. Then first you're going to just grab your knees and do some soft circles, relaxing the shoulders and the forehead, your tongue, the back of your neck, and then if you can, you're going to grab your foot like this on the outside edge of your foot, and you keep your elbow inside your knee, and same on the other side, and you're going to roll side to side. You know, like when babies need a nappy change, with their feet up towards the ceiling. And you repeat to yourself, I am enough. And you release the feet, you relax. Let's meet in Shavasana. So you lie down completely onto the floor, arms along the body but slightly away from it, palms towards the ceiling, or at least the fingertips not touching the floor. And you're going to repeat in your head 10 times. So for 5 breaths, 5 inhales and 5 exhales. I am enough, just as I am. You can customize your own mantra, make it your own, create something that speaks to your mind. I am enough. You can stay like this a bit more longer and hit the pause button. Maybe play some music that you enjoy. something calm, peaceful, or just stay with your breath. I'm going to come up and sit, but it's up to you to choose what's right for you here and now. I'm going to just roll up and down to wake up my body. All right. I hope you enjoyed this movie, this video. I sure did enjoy shooting it. Please do take care of yourself. If you like this video, please put a thumb up. If you like this way of teaching, please subscribe. And if you want other videos like that, here's a full playlist of yin and relaxation. Yeah, hope to see you soon on the mat. Cheers.